Microsoft has significantly streamlined the Xbox subscription cancellation process across all their gaming services. Whether you have Game Pass Core, Standard, or Ultimate, understanding your options is crucial for managing your gaming expenses effectively. A major change occurred in September 2023 when Microsoft discontinued Xbox Live Gold and automatically transitioned all subscribers to Xbox Game Pass Core. This wasn't just a name change. Subscribers now receive access to over 25 games in addition to online multiplayer capabilities, all at the same price point. Microsoft now offers three main subscription tiers. Game Pass Core provides the essential online multiplayer and a curated selection of games. Game Pass Standard offers access to hundreds of games but excludes day one releases. Game Pass Ultimate is the premium tier, including everything plus cloud gaming and EA Play membership. Understanding auto billing is crucial before canceling. All Xbox subscriptions use recurring billing, meaning they automatically renew unless you take action. However, Microsoft provides a 30-day grace period after cancellation, and you can choose whether the cancellation takes effect immediately or at the end of your current billing cycle. Microsoft provides three equally effective methods for canceling your subscription. You can use your Xbox console directly through the settings menu, visit the Microsoft account website, or use the Xbox mobile app. Each method provides the same cancellation options and immediate confirmation of your request. Now that you understand the subscription landscape and available cancellation methods, the next section will provide detailed step-by-step instructions for each cancellation method, ensuring you can successfully stop auto-billing regardless of which approach you choose. Microsoft provides three convenient methods to cancel your Xbox subscription. Each method offers the same functionality, but through different interfaces to accommodate your preferences and available devices. The first method uses your Xbox console directly. This is often the most convenient option if you're already using your console and want immediate access to subscription management. Start by navigating to the Settings menu on your Xbox console. From there, select the Account section, which contains all your account-related options, including subscription management. In the Account section, choose Subscriptions to view all your active subscriptions. Select the specific Xbox subscription you want to cancel, then choose either Cancel or Turn off recurring billing depending on your preference. Finally, confirm your cancellation choice. The system will ask you to verify this decision to prevent accidental cancellations. The second method uses the Microsoft account website, which provides comprehensive subscription management from any web browser. This method is ideal when you're away from your console or prefer managing subscriptions on a computer. Begin by visiting account.microsoft.com and signing in with your Microsoft account credentials. Navigate to the Services and Subscriptions section, which displays all your Microsoft-related subscriptions, including Xbox services. Locate your Xbox subscription in the list and select the Manage option. This will reveal additional controls, including the Cancel option. Click Cancel to begin the cancellation process. The website will guide you through confirmation prompts to ensure you understand the implications of cancellation and when it will take effect. The third method utilizes the Xbox mobile app, providing subscription management capabilities directly from your smartphone or tablet. This method offers convenience and accessibility when you're on the go. Launch the Xbox mobile app and navigate to your Profile section. From there, access the Settings menu where you'll find subscription management options. In the Subscriptions section, select the Xbox subscription you wish to cancel. Tap the Cancel option and follow the confirmation process to complete the cancellation. Microsoft has significantly enhanced the subscription cancellation experience following consumer feedback and regulatory requirements. These improvements provide greater transparency and user control over the cancellation process. You now have the flexibility to choose when your cancellation takes effect, either immediately or at the end of your current billing cycle. The system provides clear notifications throughout the process, ensuring you understand exactly what will happen and when.